Hi, this is Teacher Maria once again. Today, we have another lesson. Join with me as we explore and learn together. Our topic for today is about subtraction with regrouping. So, what is regrouping in subtraction? Regrouping is another term for borrowing. In subtraction with regrouping, we will encounter borrowing more often when we take away one number from the corresponding place value. This is the example. Step 1. Arrange the numbers according to their place value with a greater number on top. So, 5 and 9 are in the ones place, 6 and 2 are in the tens place. Step 2. We begin with the ones place. Since 5 is smaller than 9, we borrow 1 from the tens place, which is 6, becomes 5. Step 3. The one that is borrowed makes 5 15. Hence, 15 minus 9 equals 6. Step 4. Once we have subtracted the ones place, move to the tens place. 5 minus 2 equals 3. The difference between 65 and 29 is 36. Let's try this another example. Don't forget to follow the steps. 314 minus 157. Step 1. Arrange the numbers according to their place value with greater number on top. 4 and 7 are at the ones place. 1 and 5 are at the tens place. 3 and 1 are at the hundreds place. Step 2. We begin with the ones place. Since 4 is smaller than 7, we borrow 1 from the tens place, 1, which reduces to 0. The one that is borrowed makes 4 as 14. Hence, 4 minus 7 equals 7. Step 4. Follow step 2 again with the tens and hundreds place, borrowing 1 from each of the numbers which make it 3 at the hundreds place